Good morning. We are Team Hexagon. Our chosen problem statement for SIH is fixing fragmentation of student records and achievements in higher education institutions. Despite the digitization in student education, the achievements and other student records remain fragmented throughout multiple sources, and keeping track of each and every single achievement, project, etc., can get very tedious and requires maintaining multiple folders of lots of files, which often leads to mismanagement of records. We aim to build a centralized digital platform where the students can keep track of their achievements, grades, attendance, and any other record relevant to their curricular or co-curricular activity. This provides a one-stop solution to all the record-keeping problems of the students. This will help students streamline many processes, such as building a verified portfolio and in getting higher education admissions. This also helps administration during audits as it allows them to have one platform consisting of all of the data, re- reducing administrative burden as well. We aim to deliver a platform that not only benefits students but also eases the administrative burden for institutions.
Our proposed solution to the problem is a single mobile plus web based application for storing the records of students during the course of their college life. We aim to build an application that stores student achievement records by making use of activity trackers, uses student dashboards to keep them updated about their academic performance, attendance, and credits, auto generates students' portfolios upon request, and is integrated with the concerned institute's ERP. The application basically has three types of profiles: student profiles, faculties listed under the departments, and POR holders of clubs and societies. The application is based upon a post approval model where the approvers are faculty members or clubs and societies, depending on whether the post is academic or co curricular and extracurricular in nature. I will be explaining the post approval model by taking an example of a student and a faculty member. Any post approval can be of two types: student initiated, where the student does the write up of a post and chooses which faculty member has to do the approval of the post. If the faculty member approves of the post is added to the profile of the student, and if not, it is archived. The second type of post can be a faculty initiated post where the professor himself does the write up of the post, adds the list of students whose profile the post should be added to, and then the post automatically gets added to their profiles. Faculty initiated posts are majorly for updating components of the dashboard like credits, attendance, and academic performance of students in a course. The portfolio is created using tags used in posts and using dashboards where the academic progress records are placed.
So for the tech stack, we will be using Next.js and React.js in the front end. We will be using MongoDB for the database, and backend for the backend, we will be using Node.js and Express. So here, basically, our idea is to build a student achievement approval system. On the front end, we will use React.js for the login and dashboard. We will also be using Next.js for smoother routing. Whenever a student makes a post, they can select whether it's academic or co-curricular. That data will be sent to the backend using Node.js and Express APIs and stored in MongoDB. If the post needs verification, it will be marked as pending approval. A professor or community leader can log in, check those requests, and either approve or reject them. Once they take the action, the updated status goes back into the database and the student's dashboard updates automatically. So the workflow would be student posts, data is stored, pending approval. If it requires pending approval, the professor updates and the dashboard reflects the changes. All of this would be handled using Node.js, Express, and MongoDB.
Yeah, so now talking about the feasibility and viability of a solution, it is both operationally and adoption-wise feasible. For students, it is simple. They just upload their achievements and track approvals. Community leaders can validate extracurricular activities, while professors can validate academics like courses and projects. This directly matches existing academic workflows, so it integrates naturally. On the adoption side, the big advantage is that students get a single verified portfolio, which is highly valuable for placements, internships, and higher studies. Faculties also benefit because they validate once and don't need to write repeated recommendations or prepare lengthy NAAC reports. Even admin bodies like NAAC and placement cells can directly use verified student data for further reports. That said, we do anticipate challenges, for example, low engagement from faculty or community approvers, the need to handle role based approvals, risks of false submissions, and the scale of handling large volumes. To address this, we have built in solutions such as email and SMS reminders, JWT-based role assessment processes, mandatory proof uploads with verification steps, and highlighting the benefits of our product but while marketing it very positively and community-wide through better techniques and ways.
Coming to the impact and benefits, this digital centralized platform will be built specifically for students where every achievement, academic, co-curricular, project-based, or internship is neatly organized and verified. Professors or college administrators would validate entries, making each profile a trusted reflection of a student's journey. This reduces misinformation and gives recruiters and universities a far greater confidence in what they see. The key advantage is clarity. Achievements aren't buried under a single experience section, but separated into categories, making it easier to access strengths and highlight how well rounded a student is. With colleges directly involved in verification, the platform naturally strengthens the bridge between students, academia, and industry. For students, it becomes more than just a profile, it is like a live portfolio that grows with them and credibly represents their hard work. For professors and colleges, it's a chance to showcase student success collectively and track mentorship impact. Recruiters and universities benefit from verified information that saves time, reduces doubt, and also allows filtering by what matters most, whether it's leadership, research, or technical projects. Over time, this could even replace the need to juggle CVs, certificates, and online profiles with just one comprehensive, verified record of achievement. Lastly, the research has been done from the list of references shown here. Thank you.